Hey everybody, Charlene with Roadrunners, and today I'm in Milwaukee, Wisconsin at the Sheraton Four Points at the airport. I've just arrived, so just checked in, and they gave me a nice upgraded room thanks to Marriott Gold Elite status, which I'm working on. Trying to get that done so I have another hotel chain I can take or use. Anyway, very nice room. Nice little sofa, desk, and TV. We got a wet bar, we got a coffee maker, yay, so I can have tea in the morning, a microwave, and a fridge down there. And then we have standard tub combo and a separate bedroom with a nice desk and another big TV. And I think the blackout blind is behind there. Nice king bed. So hopefully tonight will be very comfortable. It's my first time to be in Milwaukee, so I'll just be here overnight, and then we go up to Sheboygan, Wisconsin tomorrow for the Midwest Writers Conference, which should be a lot of fun. So hope everybody's having a great Monday. It's been a good travel day so far. Nothing delayed. Yay! Hope everybody's having a good one.